Okay guys, bring the truck in, got the bed off, gonna prep this frame. I think we're gonna do pour 15 on this guy, but I'm gonna start from here, work my way down. I'm just gonna clean this all up, install the new fuel pump, even though it doesn't need it. I have a brand new one in there. I'm just gonna clean this all up, coat everything, new brake lines, new fuel. I'm gonna switch to AN fuel lines, new shocks. So I'm gonna put you guys up on the tripod and get this started. So I went ahead and got all rid of that debris that was around the fuel pump, because once this ring comes off, I'm scared all that stuff was gonna fall in. So we're just basically gonna clean the tank, descale all this. I did a little bit over here already. As you can see, it's kind of just, I hit it with a chisel and it just kind of explodes all off, but metal seems pretty solid. So we're gonna keep grinding. I'm gonna use some purple power. Clean up that tank over there. So if I can do this. This is a balancing act. Beautiful. Guys, by the way, shout out. This light, not the expensive one, the one that's like $40. This thing was $11 on Amazon, and it's crazy. Put the link in the description if you want it. Check this out. Nice and clean. I'm gonna coat this with some like plastic coating. Oh, look at that. Small little things all equivalent to something really nice in the end. This is probably going to be a couple part series about this frame, because I want to get rid of the hitch, redo all the lines back here. Kind of spotted a diff cover that looked really sharp once this is all cleaned up and looking nice. So we're just going to keep going. So after a quick hit of satin black, high temp, this tank looks much better. So I placed an order for the Pour 15. So I gotta go to Harbor Freight and get a thing for the air hammer chisel. Kind of take off all the scaling, make it as clean as I could. We can start cleaning it. I also ordered a new ring that I'm gonna coat in Pour 15 to stop from that happening. But I'm making progress, man. That tank looks brand new. Yeah, it looks good.